Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn 100 sentences for the beginners level. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kureba interuro ijana zagufasha ku rwego rw'umutangizi ndetse n'uri kuri intermediate level zagufasha kumenya neza past simple. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikore nonaha mbere yuko dutangira. I was ready. Nari niteguye. I understood it. Narabyumvise. I agreed it. Narabyemeye. I disagreed. Sinabyemeye. I was tired. Nari ndushye. I was busy. Nari mpuze. I was happy. Nari nishimye. I was sad. Nari mbabaye. I was strong. Nari nkomeye. I was calm. Nari ntuje. Ntabwo dusoma karume, dusoma kamu. I felt good. Numvise meze neza. I felt bad. Numvise meze nabi. I needed help. Nari nkeneye ubufasha. Mbibutse yuko izi nteruro zose turi kureba muri iyi video si muri past simple. I needed time. Nari nkeneye igihe. I needed money. Nari nkeneye amafaranga. I wanted food. Nari nshaka ibiryo. I wanted water. Nashakaga amazi. I wanted peace. Nashakaga amahoro. I wanted success. Nashakaga intsinzi. I wanted change. Nashakaga impinduka. I could help. Nashoboraga gufasha. I could try. Nashoboraga kugerageza. I could wait. Nashoboraga gutegereza. I could learn. Nashoboraga kwiga. I came. Naraje. I went. Naragiye cyangwa se nagiye. I won. Natsinze. I tried. Nagerageje cyangwa se naragerageje. I learned. Nize cyangwa se narize. I returned. Naragarutse. I remembered. Naributse. I improved. Nateye imbere. I continued. Narakomeje. I succeeded. Natsinze. I believed you. Narakwizeye. I believed in you. Narakwizeraga. I trusted you. Narakwiringiraga. I forgave you. Narakubabariye. I respected you. Narakubashye. I liked this. Nakunze ibi. I liked that. I liked that. Nakunze biriya. I liked that. Nakunze biriya. I loved this place. I loved this place. Nakunze aha hantu. I loved my family. I loved my family. Nakunze umuryango wanjye. I loved this work. I loved this work. Nakunze aka kazi. I knew this. I knew this. Ibi nari mbizi. Niba wifuza kwiga ururimi rw'Icyongereza cyangwa se ubw'Igifaransa, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubona muri screen yawe. I knew him. I knew him. Naramumenye. I knew him. I knew him. Naramumenye. I knew her. I knew her. Naramumenye w'igitsina gore. I knew the truth. I knew the truth. Nari nzi ukuri. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. Nari nzi igisubizo. I saw you. I saw you. Narakubonye. I heard you. I heard you. Narakumvise. I followed you. I followed you. Naragukurikiye. I supported you. I supported you. Naragushyigikiye. I protected you. I protected you. Narakurinze. I remembered you. I remembered you. Narakwibutse. I missed you. I missed you. Naragukumbuye. I thanked you. I thanked you. Naragushimiye. I greeted you. I greeted you. Naragusuhuje. I welcomed you. I welcomed you. Narakwakiriye. You came here. You came here. Waje hano. You went there. You went there. Wagiye hariya cyangwa se wagiyeyo. You sat here. You sat here. Wicaye hano. You stood up. You stood up. Warahagurutse. You waited here. You waited here. Wategereje hano. Wategerereje hano. You listened carefully. You listened carefully. Wumvise witonze. You looked at me. You looked at me. Warandebye. You followed me. You followed me. Warankurikiye. You trusted me. You trusted me. Waranyiringiye. You believed me. You believed me. Waranyizeye. You were strong. You were strong. Wari ukomeye. You were calm. Wari utuje. You were patient. You were patient. Wari wihanganye. You were careful. You were careful. Wari witonze. You were honest. You were honest. Wari inyangamugayo. You were ready. You were ready. Mwari mwiteguye. You were happy. You were happy. Mwari mwishimye. You were wise. You were wise. Mwari abanyabwenge. You were kind. You were kind. Mwari abanyabuntu cyangwa se mwari abagwaneza. You were brave. You were brave. Wari intwari. You did your best. You did your best. Wakoze uko wari ushoboye. You tried again. You tried again. Wongeye uragerageza cyangwa se wongeye kugerageza. You worked hard. You worked hard. Wakoze cyane. You never gave up. You never gave up. Ntiwacitse intege. You kept moving. You kept moving. Wakomeje kujya imbere. You kept learning. You kept learning. Wakomeje wiga. You kept trying. You kept trying. Wakomeje ugerageza. You kept working. You kept working. Wakomeje ukora. You stayed strong. You stayed strong. Wagumye ukomeye. You stayed focused. You stayed focused. Wagumye wibanze ku kintu runaka. You fought big. You fought big. Watekereje cyane cyangwa se watekereje kure. You dreamed big. You dreamed big. Warose inzozi nini. You started now. You started now. Watangiye ubu. You moved forward. You moved forward. Wagiye imbere. You took action. You took action. Wafashe icyemezo. You faced fear. You faced fear. Wahanganye n'ubwoba. You spoke clearly. You spoke clearly. Wavuze neza. You spoke slowly. You spoke slowly. Wavuze gahoro gahoro. You spoke the truth. You spoke the truth. Wavuze ukuri. You spoke English. You spoke English. Wavuze Icyongereza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.